Today's video will show you how to install an inverter. Except for the parallel connection procedure, the installation steps for these two models are the same. Before installation, you must wear PPE to ensure your safety. Please also have your installation tools ready. Turn off the circuit breaker. Check the security strip on the package. Open the package. Check the contents of the package. Take off bottom cover by removing 3 screws. Now, let's install the inverter. Ensure there is 60 centimeters of space around the inverter. If there is no sufficient space around the inverter will not be able to dissipate heat properly, which could cause a fire. Use the accessory below to mark the position. Drill the holes. Insert the 2 expansion bolts to the wall. Then remove the screws. Install the accessory onto the device. 2 people work together to hang the inverter. Mark the 3rd hole. Remove the device and drill the 3rd hole. Insert the 3rd expansion bolt to the wall. 2 people work together to hang the inverter. Tighten the 3 screws on the expansion bolt. Detailed view of the wiring area. Now, let's connect the inverter with the battery. You need to install a separate DC overcurrent protector and use 35 square millimeters to AWG cable. Combine the battery wires and terminals. Secured with tool. Secure with electrical tape. Connect the battery cables. Make sure the cables are securely connected. Red is positive, black is negative. Don't connect them the wrong way. For lithium-ion batteries, install the BMS cable. Now, let's connect inverter to the home system. You will need to prepare 3 AC circuit breakers, a surge protector, and cables that meet the specifications. First, connect the cable to the inverter. The PE wire must be connected. Without grounding, there is a risk of fatal electric shock. Next, connect the cables to the surge protector. Connect the cables to the circuit breaker. Lastly, connect the cable to the power grid. After completing the connections on the utility grid side, connect the inverter to the circuit breaker and then to the home electrical system. Now, let's connect the PV system to the inverter. First, connect the wires to the inverter. Next, connect the wires to the DC circuit breaker and surge protector, and then connect the wires to the PV system. Make sure every cable is securely connected. Install the cover. Install the Wi-Fi dongle. Turn on the power to the devices and circuit breakers. Turn on the battery circuit breaker. Turn on the main circuit. Turn on the inverter power. Turn on the main AC input circuit breaker. Open the AC output circuit breakers. Turn on the PV circuit breaker. Now let's configure some important settings. Set up battery type on the inverter screen. Choose your output source priority. For example, in the SUB mode, if PV is not sufficient, Utility will supply power to the loads at the same time. Battery will provide power to loads only when utility is not available. How can we cut off the power supply when the battery voltage falls below a specific level? Select the 60th configuration item. Select the appropriate value according to the user manual. How do we protect the battery? We can use setting 5 to cut off power when the battery level drops to X%. We recommend setting the value between 10% and 20%. Congratulations on learning how to install this product. Once installation is complete, apply for your incentive using following methods. Launch the itel Energy app. Take a panoramic photo and a photo of specifications. Take a short video of the site. Upload them to the system. At the same time, suggest user to download the app to manage device and view information in real time. Thank you for watching.